Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and today we're going to be installing the Noble modular sport grille for this VB chassis WRX. I'll tell you what, let's get our hands dirty and let's go. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood and remove these 6 10mm bolts. Next, with a flathead screwdriver, we're going to press and release these 3 plastic push pins. Next, with the same screwdriver, press and release these 2 plastic pop rivets. You can now remove the bumper guard. Once underneath the car, you're going to remove the 8 plastic push pins that attach the bottom of the bumper to the vehicle. Inside each fender well, there'll be 2 plastic push rivets we'll need to remove. Now that all of our bumper hardware is removed, we're going to lean down and unsnap the bumper from the fender. With both of the bumper corners released, we can just pull the bumper towards us and remove it from the vehicle. And if you're anything like us, be sure to disconnect the electrical harness for any additional corner lighting you might have. With the bumper off, we're now going to remove the factory grille, and you're going to do that by removing these 6 Phillips head screws, or 3 per side. With the hardware removed, we can now press and release the plastic tabs that release the grille from the bumper. Now we can install our Noble modular sport grille. Our new Noble grille installs with 4 of the push locks like the factory up top, but comes with 10 pieces of hardware to secure it to the bumper. The grille is now installed, and if you're okay with going no badge, you'd install the bumper back onto the vehicle just the way you uninstalled it. But if you are looking for a badge, now is the time to install the badge mount onto the grille. With the badge mount on, you now have this bracket that can be screwed into the back, which attaches the mount to the grille. Since we decided to go with the badge, we have this carbon and red vinyl sticker that we're going to put into our open space. All right, now that looks pretty good, but I would say we're done, so we're going to go ahead and reattach the bumper the same way we took it off. And just like that, we've installed the Noble modular sport grille for our VB chassis Subaru WRX. You already know, for all of the best accessories in the world, you need to hit up importimageracing.com, and we will catch you on the next one.